everyone, how are you all doing? This is Tracy from tracypang.com. So today video is about cash flow statement, or actually some people call it financial forecast lah. So firstly, I would like to address why is it important to have a cash flow statement or financial forecast statement lah. Firstly is because you will have a good as a business owner, right? You will need to know whether your business is in a good financial health state. So this kind of statement will give you a good idea on whether your business is actually in a healthy or unhealthy health stage financially. So because in like personal life, right, we talk about our health mah. So our health can be, if let's say we have high blood pressure, then means that our health is not very good. So in business is the same thing lah. If your business is not making you any money, right, and you are bleeding, right, then it's important for you to do something about it and not letting it continue to bleed. So the second reason is also because you need to know how many units you have to sell lah, like units of products or services, and also you keep tracks of your expenses, so that you know how many units you need to sell to break even, or even to create a positive cash flow, which I already explained why is it important to create a positive cash flow previously. So it also allow those who are interested in your business, such as investors, shareholders, to make informed decisions about whether they want to invest or whether they want to pull out, or things like that lah. So okay, enough of me talking and rambling on. So I will show you all how you all can create a cash flow statement or financial forecast statement using a very simple tool called Google Sheets. I believe you all should have like a Gmail account lah. Even you all don't have it, it's free. You can create one for free. So let's go. So yeah, I have minimized my screen, and then let's go to Google to type to find what the Google Sheets URL. So it's the first URL. So okay, so I just press blank, and then I shall name this sheet as spreadsheet as business cost. So the first thing I need to do, let me shift this thing so that you all can see. I need to rename this as cost, and the other one I need to create another sheet called projected income. Okay, so in the cost, so in order for this cash flow statement or financial forecast, right, statement to work, you need to create two sheets called cost and projected income, which I have just shown you all how to create lah. So then when you are done with this, then under the cost sheet, you need to create three columns, and then name it, the first column you name it as expenses, the other one is the yearly, and then bracket the currency. So for my business, right, because I'm doing Kindle one of my business is I'm a self-published author in Kindle, so my currency will be in USD. So whatever your currency is in, could be SGD, could be calendar dollars or whatsoever lah. Yeah, okay, you all should get it lah. So at the third column, I would address it as money, then the currency. So after you create these three columns, right, then you need to like list down all the expenses that you will incur in your business. So for mine, right, is advertising. So it actually, my advertising, I would forecast a year advertising budget, and then I will distribute it in monthly, so that I know actually how much I need to spend, or how much I can spend in my advertising budget lah. So uh my advertising is about 200 per month lah. Okay, so you all key in whatever your figures is. So this is like an example of what my business is about. So your business might not have all these expenses that are incurred, so you all should customize this according to your business. So the other expense that I incur is I hire designer to design a book cover for me. So book cover, and it depends on how many books I publish. So on average, if let's say I publish 10 books in a year, right, or in a month, in a month, I think in a month is a bit too much. 10 books maybe in 2 months, then 5 books in 1 month, so it will cost me about $25. Okay, then I also sometimes hire ghostwriter to write for my book. So my my writer fee, right, can be 70 or to 100. So let's take the low end, 70. Tell you what, I think if let's say you are like me, I think because because each book I publish is by per book basis, right? So uh it might not be very relevant for me to put a monthly USD, so I could just create a new column called project, or per project. Okay, let me rewrite this. Yes. Okay, so I'm done, and then after I am done, right, I will type it as what you call it, total cost. Then I'll tabulate everything so in Excel there's a function called equal sum. Then you open bracket, right, then you drag the column that you want to total up the sum for, then like this, right. So my total cost will be 295. Okay, 295. So I go to my projected income. So the same thing for projected income, I need to create 3 column. One is, okay, let me take a look at my notes because I cannot remember. One is okay, revenue name, means what is the name, what is the product or services that will help create the revenue for me. Then revenue name, revenue means the amount that I receive from selling the product or services. And then the third one will be projected sales to break even. Okay, so revenue name, of course, for my Amazon Kindle business, it will be books, ebooks. So your business could be different. So if let's say you are in like health and fitness services, right, then your revenue name could be gym subscription, could be a newsletter subscription, whatsoever lah, whatever that you are selling to generate the income. So for me is ebooks revenue. My book is usually cost about $2.99. So after all the tax and everything, I get about $2 back lah. So that my revenue amount will be $2. So in order for me to break even, right, for one book, for one ebook I publish, I go to this equal. I don't use calculator, I very lazy one, so I always use function. So you take equal, then the total cost that you have tabulate earlier divided by the revenue, the amount lah. So for me, because I only have one revenue, if you all have like multiple revenue, then you can total up and then divide the total cost divide by take the total cost divide by the total revenue. So okay, so because I put the dollar sign, they cannot recognize. So in order for me to break even, right, I need to sell 148 books in 1 month, or yeah, in 1 month, in order for me to break even, so that I can have the income and not bleed so much, or not bleed lah. Yeah, what am I talking about? Okay, anyway, so let me see my notes whether I have covered everything. Yeah, I have covered everything. So let me switch back to full screen. So if you guys have like got value from this video, right, do like and comment, leave a comment below, or leave a comment at the sidebar. Actually, I think I will be publishing this on my blog post and also on Facebook and my YouTube channel. So if I'll be gladly, if let's say if you all think that this video can help anyone, right, then uh do share this video with your friends lah, or anyone that you think that would this video would help them. Yeah, so that's all for me. Goodbye and take care.